Oh no.
We got us an empty bucket here.
Yeah, which we're going to fill up.
This is a turmeric rhizome, or root. It has dried out on me a couple of times, but we're going to try to get it to root and to grow and all of that stuff.
Yeah, it's a root.
Yes, it's a root. It's also called a rhizome.
But
Now,
it needs
in order to do that, we want to put it in this tray we want to put this bucket in this tray.
this one, these ones.
Does anybody wonder why I never can keep
Up with us. You can smooth that now.
in the meantime?
You can smooth it out now.
Oh, thank you. Okay, now keep filling it up until I say
Stop.
to stop. Yes.
Oh, that's just spill.
Well, don't spill anymore. I want it all to go in here, not everywhere else.
I'm spreading it out now. Dad, I'm going to spread it out before I'm
Yes, you can spread it out.
Dad, my turn to start digging again.
Yes, keep digging. Stop talking.
Sorry. That's okay.
Got this turmeric.
I actually got some on my brother's hand. But that's...
Okay.
Well, since my hand was over there, over the thing, that's okay, right?
Yes. Okay, so
Should we stop?
I got this turmeric after
Should we stop, Dad?
Not yet. There's
Okay.
plenty of space here. I got this turmeric after I watched Midwest Gardener harvest his turmeric and bring some of it inside, I believe it was. And I was asking him how well or how easier it was to root it, and he said it was fairly easy. So what I'm hoping for is that this stuff that I got from the store will actually take root and we will be able to have some good turmeric at the end of the summer next summer. I believe it's a 7 or 8 month plant, maybe 9 from what I remember. But we're looking forward to getting some of that because we know that it's a good pain medicine, it's a good anti-inflammatory, and it's definitely a great alternative to, you know, modern medicine.
The blood thinner too.
Oh yes. Jessica just said, if you didn't hear, that it's also a blood thinner. So, we are looking forward to having some on hand for ourselves by this time next year for sure. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Anything else? Oh yes. Tube buddy link in the description box below. And no, the description box is not up. It's below the video.
I want it to be on top.
Why do you want it to be on top? Anyway, that's our 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.